Hi there, Neil from Richter, and welcome to another video. Today in the workshop we've got two complete firsts here in the UK. On this side we've got this amazing RS5 Sportback in Daytona Grey. We're going to do a separate video on that shortly. The main reason for this video is this amazing RS6-S behind me. It's in the white colour. It's actually the first RS6 in the UK RS6-S model. What is an RS6-S? So the new strategy for all ABT RS models is exactly the same. There's going to be three models. So we have the S, for example, RS6-S, which is the lead-in model. It comes as a complete package. It comes with a tuning, it comes with exterior and interior. It then moves on to the R model, so RS6R, which is the next model up with more extreme carbon, generally more power and generally more extreme on the interior. Then the final model we offer is the Signature Edition, the Johan ABT Signature Edition. Those are always the most extreme of all, the most powerful, the most limited in numbers, and they can only be built over in Kempton, generally left-hand drive vehicles. So that's the idea, whether it's an RS4, RS5, RS6, RSQ8, the same strategy applies with the three models. So the S's are not limited in numbers, which is fantastic. So whereas a lot of the other, well, virtually everything's sold out in terms of the limited editions, we can get hold of these and the kit's readily available. Slightly less carbon than its big brother, the RS6R, but still an absolutely amazing vehicle. It's actually got the carbon front lip on this. Also comes with a 22-inch HR alloy wheels and the lowered suspension. We've also got some roll bars on here, the ABT exhaust, and also an ABT upper rear wing. And on the inside we still get a package as well. So you've got the door sill illumination with the RS6S logo. We've also got some modifications to the steering wheel which we're about to do. The floor mats are on order which will come through, and also the upholstery on the seats as well. So all in all, lots of bits on the inside and the outside as well. The other thing on this one, so the RS6-S does come with the 700 horsepower upgrade, which is now fitted to this vehicle. What we're going to do, it is an optional extra for ABT Power R, so the 740 horsepower, which is two new turbos, two new intercoolers and a higher grade tuning. The customer's actually going to opt for that as well. So although we've built it to 700, which is standard, we can actually now apply the RS6R power to that, taking it up to 740 horsepower and pretty much 200 mile an hour car. So yeah, we'll cut away to some shots around the car. Love to know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you all in the next video.